Good afternoon, everyone. It is around 3:30ish. I'm done with work for the day. Most of the kids are done with school. Sarah's finishing up one little assignment. And so today, now that I'm done with work, I'm gonna work on camera reception. I'm gonna work on getting this bathroom done and this bedroom done before 5 o'clock, and then we're gonna do dinner. Let's see if I can get that done or not. So I got the bathroom finished. It's like 4:15, so not too bad. Hi. And Matt literally just came home. And he has the dog well trained. Oh, let me see this.
Are you excited?
He's trying to ignore it. Ignore it. Very slowly.
It's the he wants the treat, but he also likes to show off for the camera. He really does.
Mine. No. Mine. No.
Rebecca.
Shh. Mine.
Go back to the dishes, Mommy. Rebecca, go on out. Don't distract him.
All right, get it. Get it. Get it.
Good boy. Hi, honey.
Hi.
Oh, I need to turn my light off. It is 4:45ish. I did not get my room done. Ta-da! Because I am waiting on the bathroom to dry and Matt came home. So what I'm gonna do, let's go wash my hands. And we're gonna make dinner. And I'm making everything for dinner. I'm making everything for dinner. Dinner's done. Madeline just got the dog back in. Matt's with the kids, getting them to do their 30 minutes of reading tonight. I'm exhausted. I'm starting to finally get used to this whole working situation thing again, where I'm working only certain hours during the day, intermittently doing their school with them. They're pretty independent. Madeline's having trouble with the dog. They're pretty independent with their schoolwork, so they make it very easy for me to be able to work from home. But anyway, so that looked like a lot of food, but it actually was so the girls can get up in the morning and fix their own breakfast when they get up. And then that gives me more time to have a quiet time to work between Matt going to work and the girls getting up. So that's why it looked like a lot of food, but we're gonna slowly reheat that over this week. And I don't think we have plans Saturday either, so. Anyways, let's turn you around. I take the robes out of here whenever, or I take the robes out of the bathroom whenever I'm cleaning the bathroom. It's finished drying the floor and all that while I was cooking. I've got his work clothes to get up and put in his thing. There's a pin on the floor. Straighten this up a little bit. You've already seen the haul for these, but like I did the video yesterday of shopping, and then tonight, once I get in here done, I'm going to do the decorating, and you'll see the rest of it on that same haul video. And then I've got stuff to get rid of over here for people and things to haul off. We've pulled out probably about 2 garbage bags of stuff to just get rid of. Just clothes that Matt and I were not wearing anymore. And we had a good cause to give those to. And so we did. We just got rid of them and gave them to those people. And then whatever we can't really use and they can't use, we're just taking off to charity. To get all that done. And I'm going to go see why the kids are yelling. Oh, Sorry, I just yawned. So it's almost 9 o'clock and I got all of our room done. So I didn't get my side table done out of the cleaning out, but my goal is to do like deep cleaning out on Saturdays and Sunday evenings while I'm working, on weeks that I'm working. But the bed's made and it's really refreshing to get in a freshly made bed in the evenings. Got my pajama spot up there. I'm going to be going through the kids' travel bag, and I'm going to be getting rid of some things that they're too small for now. Some people gave them some board books for their travel, like some Disney board books, but they're pretty much all, they're all into chapter books now. So I don't see any reason to keep a board book in their bag anymore. And then I'm probably going to get rid of their color mortar because they're also starting to transition out of those. But I got all that done, dusted over here, still trying to figure out what to do with the instruments for now and TV. Because we don't really watch it in here. Because we watch Netflix and it's on a smart TV. But I got it done. I won't open the closet, but the closet's done. Well, I'll show you really quick. But yeah, see, it's done. That is Matt's uniforms. We just stack them there and pull them in that trash can until, it used to be a, I just realized I was covering the mic. So that used to be a paper shredder trash can, so it's a little bit taller, but it's perfect for like putting his uniforms in. And then we cleaned out the closet. We got rid of a bunch of shirts that Matt was using for work because he doesn't really use work shirts anymore because he has uniforms. I cleaned out I've cleaned out skirts that I wasn't wearing anymore, dresses I wasn't wearing anymore. You know, just, that's all I'm seeing right now is like I can see my skirt hangers there and dresses. And then, you know, I've got other stuff there. But yeah, so just cleaned a lot of that out. I may still get rid of some more over there. Weeded out some of Matt's shirts, hung up his ones that he saves for like cruises and special trips. Got all this organized. But yeah, that's pretty much done. So the bathroom is done. And here's the rest of the room again. So it has been a little challenging getting used to being not only me just working in general again, but the fact that I am now a working mom and I'm homeschooling on top of it. So it's been kind of awkward, but again, the girls are all old enough to sit down and do their work when they're told to and just get their work done. And so that really helps. And then, you know, I'm sitting there with the computer, sitting next to them literally. And if they have questions, they bring it straight to me. Every time they finish a subject, they bring it to me. And they have teacher keys for their subjects so I can grade quickly. And, you know, it's like the girls' home agreement. They work and I work, and it works really, really well. So I'm still thankful that I have this opportunity to do a job that I can do from home, still school them, and still be able to keep my house clean, because that's really important to me. But I'm gonna end it for tonight. But yeah, that's basically how our days are going now. Is during the day I work until about 3 o'clock, and then I try to get as much cleaning done and dinner cooked, unless Matt cooks dinner like he did Thursday. But yeah, so I come in here in the evenings, or not just in here. I do cleaning in the evenings up until 9 o'clock. I guess 9 o'clock now. Sometimes I'll clean all the way till bedtime if we just need it. But tonight, I've got this room done. The rest of the house isn't that bad. We can clean it slowly through the week. So I'm just gonna call it a night. Thank you so much for watching. In the comments below, have you ever been a stay-at-home mom and then switched to being a working mom? Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.